up, Beach Channel? My name is Sabbath, and we are here at the 2018 Sobe Food and Wine Festival Burger Bash. I am so excited to try out all the delicious food and meet with some of the most talented chefs in the world. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. That is the sound of delicious, tasty goodness. I am here with one of the chefs. What burger are you guys submitting?
The swine burger from Swine Southern Table and Bar.
Can you tell me some of the ingredients in the swine burger?
Yeah, so we have 2 patties, American cheese, our swine sauce, and a big slab of bacon on top.
All right, well, I'm gonna back up because I'm getting some grease on me, but it smells so good here. I wish you guys could just come right in and smell this deliciousness. So I may have food all over my mouth, but I want to describe this swine burger to you. It tastes kind of spicy, and the bread is super soft. I would say it's a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. You heard it from this lady right here. Best burger on the beach, swine. Thank you. Woo!
Finally made it to Pincho Factory, home of the legendary Tostone Burger, and I am here with none other than Nadal.
How are you?
Good, good. So can you tell me a little bit about Pincho Factory's journey during competitions like this?
Well, this is our 4th year competing, and we actually won in 2015, and it's just had a huge impact on our brand and our business. And it's just been so humbling to always be back and be welcome back to the South Beach Food and Wine Festival.
What influence does Hispanic culture have on Pincho Factory?
There's a lot of Hispanic influence on our brand. I actually grew up in Hialeah. I actually have my Hialeah shirt under my, So growing up in South Florida, just with all different cultures around us, it was how I learned a lot of my cooking techniques. And I love Latin food, and being able to pair that and reimagine on our menu is one of the funnest things I do.
Kush Burger. Are there any special ingredients inside? Because I see his mask.
Special ingredients. We got the guava, we got the potato sticks, we got the Gruyere cheese, our homemade locale sauce.
I don't know, that mask makes me think a little bit different. I don't know.
Captain Kush is gonna save the day right here after you eat this burger, all right?
So I am here with Guy Fieri's son.
Hello,
How are you?
Wonderful, how are you?
Do you cook as well as your father?
No.
No?
He is a
legend.
Amazing chef. So I'm getting there. I'm learning, but not as good yet.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'll tell you one thing. I don't know who's gonna win and I don't know how it goes down, but please, before anything else happens, a big, fat round of applause for our chef tonight!
Oh my gosh. I mean, all my friends came and helped out at big restaurants, so I got a bunch of volunteers who I love. Thank you to everybody who came out tonight. It's a great time, and go Miami. Huh?
Go Miami! Nicely done, Chef.
For the 2018 Schweid & Sons Very Best Burger Award. She happens to be right next to me. From Butter, Alex Granachari.
OMG. G.
What a night it has been here at South Beach Wine and Food Festival Burger Bash. I tried some delicious burgers, met some great people, and I had a really great time. In the end, the winner of the Heineken's People's Choice Award was none other than Swine Burger, probably my favorite burger. So anyway, it's been such a great time. I will see you next year, Beach Channel.